till Nigeria get independent, oh, where we do go, we not know where we they come from, we not know. Ow! Ukpoki Akmani Gogo, all the whole road in Akmani Gogo, no water, nothing. You go cut me say you go university. Me when you know I come up for inside farm, we enter Europe. Now me you want to speak English, for now English go kill you. You hear say na English be my language. My language is not broken. With you, our honey. That be my language. Now English you want to speak for me. May you that school when you go blind your eye. Wanna take thief our money, where we go take better. We take a go school. That book you not go enjoy and you not even go to school. God come out, God they abuse your mama for you. God punish you. Una they destroy our country. Una children of the die for Morocco, Libya Sea. One they beg now. Put that video where that one they beg for Libya now. Make I show them. Put that video where they beg for Libya. Check the other small video. The other small for there. Put her. That they beg. You never lecturer, may you lecturer go tell your people where they carry our money. May they go put flight there, may all of them they come house. Lecturer. Ile binu lecturer. One can tell me when not go school. One speak broken for me. They say if you speak I want the University of Brussels. Now me you want you know what it don't enter my brain? You know what my head don't carry? What my head don't carry? Now let book when England carry come for now. My head don't carry many things. When your papa no carry, when your mama no carry. The craze. I mean you want to craze for speak English for. I tell you say I need English. What English do for me? Not be our money that the thief come out go they pay their people. They pay their old men that they travel for summertime. Your mother don't travel, go this thing, go enjoy. England people, if they old, that they eat pension, money, social, that they eat social, they don't pay your mama. They don't pay your mama social for Nigeria. They don't pay your mama university boy at Brussels. And they ask you. Any treat one ask you something. I not go school. Now make me not go school. I want ask you what. Your mama with your papa don't go summer. Holiday. They don't travel, go holiday. Go enjoy. Sleep for many hotel. Go to beach. For Nigeria, we not get beach. We not get where see day. And they ask you university man. A Brussels university man. Your mama don't go. Government don't give the summer money when they go to travel. Shege. God punish you not backward you not go there. God they tell me say and make it tell you whether not be the truth or the fact. Which truth? Ancestors they lie. Ancestors they lie. Not be they sell our forefather, our fathers. What do we not know again? I go America past my brother, my blood. I not go know her. I not go know say na my brother. When I tell sellers away, sellers give different place. Sellers give other country. They seek us for water. They seek our brother for water. I said they don't want black. Go come and tell me say you they go to Brussels. One no una papa seller. Now the artifact they call you say na palace the pack up. Ancestors say whether you go swear. Make the book when you read, you not go enjoy the book. Ancestors say whether you go swear. Your mama don't go summer, go holiday. Your mama don't go holiday. Government don't pay her. Government give una mama work. The rulers don't give una mama work. What did the ruler don't divide for the market women? What did they don't do for the children? What did they don't do? Which hospital they put? If not be a Brussels, you go see that university they go. You go see road they take go there. Come out to say they teach you for. I'm teaching for the University of Brussels. Teach you what you now. Me you want speak broken. I not be. I work on me. That be my language. Which who be that broken? That is my language. Don't speak that useless say you when I tell the thief. Any person when go come speak good English here. Now don't know go tear in tears. Now broken they speak here. I tell you, I say I go to school. When I tell thief first, come they speak big English for us. We go see who they speak English for Nigeria. We go they do like this. Ooh, why you school? You go school. God punish which kind of school you go. Everybody na equal. Go school, you not go school now. You go school, you not go school with that they enjoy for Europe. Not be only who go school, be lawyer, who be judge, who be this one. Not be only you get work when they work. Depend the way you go school, you must see work. Whose work on put for our people? Whose work? The government put. The traditional ruler put. Tell me. Now manipulation all of una day. See what happened yesterday na lockdown of them Igbo people. If I do not wait there for Ilebinu people where be Oguname don't use and lie. The plan where they plan as they want to hanging at the canoe. Now he can't talk her out. We know. We know. And the whole world know. Everybody don't know. Even though any people where we don't know. Everybody don't know everything where they happen. War is coming, people. Now the Edo State, now the war go state place. Mona carry on full and need there. Pull for bush, pull gun. Now there. Now there. That place una they drag Ilebinu. Now there. That place. That place. Now this say me person no talk. I must talk. Ancestors say it's must. Unless una kill me, make I take destroy all of una. With the one where they cry for Libya, Morocco, this thing now. That one they cry. Now not they see that you go school, you know reason. Since when artifact come everywhere does scatter. You know reason send a hand of ancestors. I be old map picture not there your papa palo. Old map picture not there your papa palo. If you not there, go find out where may you put. Or go buy book where you go see old map picture. Put for your papa palo. You think say una la ancestors want to put for that palace? They're crazy. Say they see my this thing. They see my you go see them more and more. More. You go see them every day. If you dey sleep, you go to see your princess Odohunoge. If you dey waka, the shadow go they follow you. Anywhere you dey go, you go they follow you. If that place where you say you dey read the book, you go to see me. You go to see me. You go to see ancestors. You go to see goddess. You go to see Odohunoge. This is I call for now. They send me. Now when not they want the truth to come out. Now when don't want truth to now go lie, put life for history, put everything. Ancestors can lie. Ancestors tell me everything. Even though not toss this one. Oguname not saying they see ancestors. That day he said there be Idu. Ancestors they change. Mona tell children the truth. I don't still blame this one too much when saying they read book. They don't tell the truth. When I tell children truth, make them not the mistake. When I tell children truth, make them not the misbehave. When I tell them the truth, what did they happen? Ancestors say when I tell them the truth. When I tell them the truth go set the land free. God Almighty say when I tell them the truth, tell the children the truth. Tell them the truth. When I know they hide, they talk. Me, I know they hide, they talk. They talk and if now go make una kill me, pull una out. Make the children grow. Make the children enjoy. Do it fast. Man, I not kill innocent ones. Now me talk. Now me. If na mistake, do person when not final. Now me the sign. Now me una go take. I go pull it and come out. Make the truth come out once and for all. Do it fast. Hang out a woman. Now go see through to children. They die. Everything is zaga for our state. Everything is zaga for Nigeria. Nothing. The flag they cry blood. no say Nigeria flag dey